Yo, what's up guys? My name is JT and we're gonna go check out ATSF 2926 in Albuquerque, New Mexico, right here on Model Railroad in the Southwest. So we came in from my house to Albuquerque last night and it was pouring the whole time. I've never seen Albuquerque or New Mexico get that much moisture in a broad area from like where I live all the way over here. I'm pretty sure we got that moisture from the hurricane that was in California just a few days ago. So I made a content about this engine about, a couple years ago or so. I showed a little bit of, shots of the interior and some other stuff. I didn't get too much video. There was just a ton of people there and it was really hard to get around. So hopefully here, since it's a bigger area, I'll get some steam shots, some operation shots, and also some whistle shots. So that's hopefully, I don't know if they just brought it down from the shop to the brewery and just parked it there, or they're going to be moving it back and forth. I really don't know. I didn't go to the last meet that was earlier this year. I think it was in May or something like that. So I don't know what's in store for today, but hopefully we'll get some good content and you guys are going to be able to check it out. Another thing I wanted to point out is that I recently made another YouTube channel. It's called ATMPerformance. Now in that YouTube channel, it's going to be about vehicles, solely cars and trucks. And I'm going to make some content about performance mods and some cosmetic mods to vehicles. Now, we recently bought a 2023 F-150 with a 5.0 Coyote engine in it. We recently straight piped it, and man, does this thing sound really good. I'll give you guys a quick little rev in this video so you guys can go check out that video. That sounds really good. So go check out that channel. There's going to be a ton more content. There's going to be a content about an F350 Power Stroke. I have a Challenger and I have a bunch of other vehicles I'm going to do content on. So go check out that YouTube channel. Again, it's called ATMPerformance. I'm going to put a link down below. Let's go check out that steam engine. So here's 2926. This is what it looks like walking up to the event. Let's see if we can hear the whistle and get some close-up shots, and let's check it out.
Anything else? I mean, you guys get pictures? Yeah, we got pictures, guys. That's okay. Just keep asking. Are you really from Moriarty? No, we live there, but yeah. You will? That's cool, man. We got a big old you guys are sober. Well, yeah. Steamer's more of a hands-on. Changes the timing of the valve. So that's how you control it. And naturally,
Alrighty guys, so it's the next morning and I'm on my way to work right now.
and it's really nice morning. It's nice and cool out. So yesterday was a great experience seeing that locomotive in person. I had a great time there. The kids loved it. They got so scared with the first whistle blast. They had no idea that it was coming. Everybody was saying whistle, and they're looking around like, what's whistle mean? And man, when they blew that whistle, they got so scared. They were crying and everything like that. But after that first time, I told them, hey, they're going to blow the whistle again, and they were prepared for it, and they loved it. They loved the sound of it. They really liked seeing that engine up close and personal. To be honest, I've never seen a steam engine of that size up close, and seeing it operate and hearing the sounds of it in person. I've never experienced that before, and it was such a great experience. I hope that one day I get to see the big boy and see that operate and hear that one and hear that whistle on that on the big boy. I think that would be a great experience. So maybe one day I'll travel up to Wyoming when the big boy's doing its thing, you know. So, but that was a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't really get to film too much, you know. It's just really like side shots and stuff like that, you know. They didn't really move the engine. They were going to move it around 4 o'clock. We had some other stuff planned. We actually went to the zoo afterwards, so we didn't really get a chance to go see it move back to the shop. But I hope you guys liked the video. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, put it in a comment down below. So that's pretty much it, guys. Talk later. Take care and keep it tuned the rails.